Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to my life. What we're doing here, putting away the airsoft stuff, because we're not doing that today, probably tomorrow. And we're pulling out the real steel. Yeah, so we're going to the range today. Just got the my car clean, the Infinity machine, the Q45. We'll be taking that to the range. And yeah, but first what we're going to do is a little bit of pre-check before we go and check the ammo and all that good stuff. Use these for dry fire practice and weapon familiarity. I just got 5 of them, but that's really all you need. That's my daughter's drum set. Alright, let's see if this thing starts. Maybe kids. Ha! This is the Infinity machine, the Q45. Bask in its glory. So part of the reason I wanted to make this is just this whole vlogging thing, or go on this whole vlogging adventure, was just because I'm always kind of doing outlandish, odd things like hobbies and stuff. So I do airsoft, and I'm now found powered paragliding. Of snorkeling, and it's like springs, and who doesn't love that sort of stuff? But it's just like, I don't know, if it's different, I want to try it. I mean, life limiting, of course, but so as I get older, though, I just kind of realized that I just want to do new things. I want to experience. That's what it's all about, right?
Been a long time.
Ah, yeah, man.
Hello.
It's Dave.
Hello.
Shit. Well, I'm not gonna get my people on camera much, no matter who I come in contact with, I'm not really going to get them involved as best I can, at least,
Especially when they're as ugly as I am. Actually, strength though they matured enough so that the strength can be built up.
Lane 7?
Yep.
Oh. 70? Yeah. Love it. All right, buddy. There you go.
That thing's freaking hot.
Love that sound.
Yep.
That's probably could be my all-time favorite. I'm gonna blow this guy away.
Yeah, take him apart.
Yeah, I gotta fix him. He needs a good fixing. love it. See any holes in that pipe? No. Gun range now, coastline. I also gotta stop at the store for Tay-Tay. I'm still considering going out to jam tonight. That sounds like fun. But I haven't heard from anybody yet. Jeremy hits me up, or Aries or Dave. Dope. Play some music.
What was that? This one?
No.
Yeah, I want to see.
No, don't yeah, leave it there. Hi. Yeah. It's hi, Emma.
Hi, Daddy.
I'm Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What are we doing today?
We're doing Candyland.
Candyland. Can I play?
Sure. You can be you. I'm gonna be red.
Alright. Cool. I like red.
Good.
Remember how we play Candyland?
Yep. Okay. Go at the start.
Okay.
Okay. You have to go across.
Don't we gotta like pull these cards?
Yes. Pull those cards.
Okay, so we're gonna play some Candyland?
Yes.
Alright, let's do it. Whoa! Alright, pick a card, any card.
I want
Alright, what is it? 2 purples? Alright, what do you do? That is like 4 purples. That's cheating! Let's see. Okay, 1 blue.
Well, hello.
2 blues? Count 1, 2. Nah, 2 oranges. 1. Dude, you blow my mind. 2 oranges from me. Ha!
I'm going to do stuck.
Boom, boom.
You got stuck. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That way.
We both just lost the plot.
Yeah.
I like you a lot. I like you too. Bye. You look really pretty in your PJs. Alright, see ya. down here, and they're ridiculous. We're on this causeway right here. Yeah. So what we're doing here is actually a little like out of the ordinary. That's why I'm like vlogging it. So this is like kind of cool because we got the amp here and we're gonna run off a 110 inverter through the car. So off the battery of the car we'll run the amp, and here we've got my daughter's Gammon drum set, mini drum, maximum drum set.
Chris.
No.
Don't tell me you've got a cord.
I don't have a cord, dude. It's supposed to be in here. No, 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 no. No.
We're so close. Alright, we have two options. Say fuck it and we just hang out here, or we go back to your house and come back.
I'm game for option 2.
You don't have any cords.
What do we got here? See, you might be able to go directly into the cab.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, I don't need distortion.
You need a light on that shit?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.